Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You can't switch WhatsApp backups on iPhone from iCloud to Google Drive directly. Apple and Google use different cloud systems. Instead, start by preparing both devices. Update WhatsApp, connect to a stable Wi-Fi, and use the same phone number. Once done, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and go to Settings to start the official chat transfer flow. Make sure you've plugged both devices into power. The transfer requires real-time device-to-device copy, not a cloud reconfiguration. Once you start the transfer on the iPhone, follow the on-screen prompts to pair with the Android using the Move to Android app or WhatsApp's QR code method. You'll verify the phone number and grant permissions to read SMS and storage on Android. During transfer, the iPhone sends chat history, media, and settings directly to the Android device. Keep both screens active and don't interrupt Wi-Fi. Make sure the transfer completes and that you see the chats on Android before moving to backup. After the chats appear on Android, open WhatsApp settings, go to Chats, then Chat Backup, and sign in to the Google account you want to use. Tap Backup and choose Google Drive as the destination. This creates regular cloud backups going forward. If something goes wrong, retry the transfer using a wired connection or the official Move to Android app, confirm both apps are updated, and verify you use the same phone number. This one troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.